Home sweet home, man. There goes my Uber right there. Just came back from the airport, still got my bags in hand and tow. There you go, man. And we are in front of Unique Rides, of course. That Jeep looks almost done, huh? Open up this gate. Oh. The little dog over there barking at me. Okay. My dude, you alright, man?
Yeah, it's fucking so much shit going on. Yeah.
You guys know Gabe, man. Gabe over there. Look like he got a headache. It's been a long day, huh?
Yeah, we just got the deal with Will Curry Ford.
I seen that.
Yeah, doing unique edition.
Dope.
F-150s. One just got dropped off.
Ooh.
Trying to do it.
Hey, that's a good problem to have, though, man. So much. I'm saying, like you saying, you got a lot of shit. That's a good problem to have.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's blessed.
Blessed. Hours in the day.
Exactly. But it's all good though. So they redoing the whole floor over here. So they had to strip everything out. You guys are going Ferrari red the floor?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be dope. What about the walls?
They were primer white, so we did this semi-gloss white on them.
Dope.
Then I'm gonna do the Italian flag on the 3 poles back there. And then I'm gonna do a cool mural on the garage door.
And the floor's gonna be red, huh?
Yeah, bright red.
Dang.
Bright red. Yeah, it's gonna be sick. Little pop.
And Gabe, look like you been putting in some work, man. You got leaves and stuff on your back. Let me find out you was on the floor.
How about teamwork makes me. If I have to, I get down.
That's what's up, man. Yeah, you got some leaves and stuff on your back.
If I have to, I get down.
That's what's up, bro. Yeah, man. So let me show you guys what's actually. Oh, there goes what's in his car up there.
He was there earlier.
He was? He will never tell me when he comes anymore.
You see what we do with the wheels now?
Oh, he doing something else to the wheels now? Man, this guy never stops.
We're not putting the wheels, we're gonna powder coat.
No, that's what I'm saying. Like, you doing something else to the wheels.
We're gonna do like a bronzy color on the wheels.
Dope.
Super cool color. Make the calipers pop a little bit more.
Man, every time he comes, he adds something else to it.
But he also told me a secret.
A secret?
Well, not really a secret anymore, but
Well, we're
we got
not.
a new Corvette on the way too.
God damn, this guy.
Stay tuned.
This guy, stay tuned, man. So if you guys didn't catch what he was saying, man, so Jose, the guy who owns, you guys know the guy that owns that Granite Scat Pack, just ordered a C8 Corvette, man. That's crazy. You need some help? Yeah, let me, hold on. Hey, all right, man. I'll be right back, guys. Let me help Gabe push his car out real quick. Woo! Hey, man. Gabe been putting me to work. Look at that, man. Come over here, do some updates, and I got put me to work, man. But it's all good. Let me tell you guys the updates on what they're doing right now. So we'll get back to Jose's car. Jose's car in a little bit. So this one right here got some. You can see, man, doing some powder coated brakes. And the brakes on there. He did some other stuff too. Forget what he said, man. We'll catch it when he comes out here. But he's doing some powder coated brakes on this one. This car right here is. If you see him on YouTube, man, yes, it's me. This is his car right here, man. So look at this wrap. Digital wrap on it. Whew. This thing is gonna come out beautiful, beautiful, beautiful when it's all said and done. They're taking off the brake calipers right now to do the brake calipers. The brake calipers are going to be basically neon yellow, right? Same color as this?
Yes.
Yep. So it's gonna be that same color as the yellow that's on the car. It's gonna come out super dope, man. Man. Look at that. All the carbon fiber parts pop out just a little bit more with this wrap. See, he got the GT on the side, the carbon fiber on the bottom, and look at that. Look at that. And you got a big old smiley face on the hood, man. Yeah, but this thing, the wrap itself is gonna be pretty dope, man, when it's all said and done. Can't wait for that one to finish. You guys see, man, Jose's car is up in the air right now. So they're pretty much Probably should be done with the interior. Or almost done with it anyway. But then they're gonna do some other stuff. If you didn't hear him, man, he said he's gonna do powder coat the wheels like a bronze type color. That way make the, you know, the calipers pop out a little bit more and everything else, man. So this one is, you know, they're getting there, man. Little by little, they're getting a little bit closer, man. This thing is gonna be dope too when it's all said and done. You can see underneath the car. Look at that. Whew. And of course, you got the Ferrari out there, man. Was that the 458 Ferrari? Yeah, man. Doing some work around here. So I don't know if you guys heard Gabe, man, but they just got a. So I don't know if you guys see it, man, but they do a Jaguar. They have a deal with Jaguar, man, and they do Unique Rides Edition Jaguars, the I-Paces. Well, now they just got a deal with Bill Curry Ford, and they're gonna be doing Unique Rides Edition for Fords. So it's gonna be dope, man, when they all, you know, when they get it all together, man. If you haven't seen the ones in Jaguar, check out Jaguar. I think it was Jaguar of Tampa, and they got a few of them on there. And like I said, I think they'll say Unique Rides Edition or whatever. Some of them got like blue stripes on the bottom and things like that, or different color accents. One is blue and the other one is, I think, red or something like that. But anyway, so they're gonna start doing rides for Bill Curry too, man, which is a Ford dealership here in Tampa. So that should be pretty dope. All right, man. So with this Mustang, I just asked them. So the calipers are actually getting powder coated like a rose gold color. Look, they did the turn signals here on the bottom. Look at that, man. It's pretty dope. It's like a smoke, but it's kind of like got like a little purple tint to it. Super dope, man. They're putting a front split on there right there. It's in the box still. So that's coming along. This is this guy's Instagram if you want to check it out. And then also they did the rear diffuser back here as well, man. So look at that. Hey, man, so these guys pretty much do it all. Pretty much do everything, man. Almost a one-stop shop. And if he doesn't do it himself, then you know, they'll outsource somebody to come here and do it for them, man. But they pretty much do everything here. It's one-stop shop. So this car right here is about to get some bags put on it, man. So it's gonna be tucking here pretty soon. Got some carbon fiber lip on the front. Carbon fiber lip on the front. All that, man. Guess he came back from that car show I was at too, Clean Culture. I didn't see him out there, but I guess he was out there. Carbon fiber mirrors. Carbon fiber door handles. Look at that. Yep. But alright, man, so we're about to be out of here. With just a quick little update, man. Want to show you guys the Mustang. It's not done yet, obviously. They'll be done next week, so I'll come back then and do a full, complete, you know, walk around or whatever, whenever it's all said and done. She got Paul back there, man. It's raining like crazy. Can you guys see that? It's raining like crazy, man. I tell you, man, it rains every single day in Florida, like like no other, man. But anyway, so Paul working on that Mustang that you guys seen outside. The other Mustang, the one that's getting the bronze type calipers, the dark gray one. That's the lip for it right there. Or that's the front nose for it right there. He got a huge carbon fiber piece that's going onto it. Super huge. Then obviously they're putting the bags on this car right here. The reason why it's not on the lift is because they're doing, remember I told you about, well, you guys seen that they're doing the inside part of whatever, repainting everything. So they had to move all the cars out. So, you know, they got cars all over the place, man. Cars on the lift, cars under the lift and everything else. They don't really have any space. Bunch of cars outside. They don't really have any space for any of these things, man. So they had to do the bags right here. Pretty much, like I said, they don't got no space. They got to get that done within, like, I think by the end of the week. So they're kind of crunched for space right now, but it's all good, man. Like I said, it's still getting it done. So at the end of the day, man, I'm waiting for my wife to come pick me up because I just came in from the airport. And I came straight here off the Uber. So now the wife is coming to pick me up. I don't know how I'm gonna get out there because it's freaking raining like crazy. And I am not trying to go out there in the rain. But we'll make it do how it do, man. Other than that, man, anyway, wife come pick me up and then I'll get back with you guys. Actually, real quick, let me show you guys this that carbon fiber lip real quick. Let me show you guys. So so it looks like a normal lip, right? Look at this. It looks normal, pretty dope. APR racing, man, pretty dope, right? Nothing too major. But then you come around to the backside. Look at that crap. The whole freaking thing is carbon fiber. Isn't that crazy? Look at that, man. Damn. This is a piece you do not want to crack.
A lot of carbon.
You crack that, man, it's over. You hit like you bottom out or something, hit something on the bottom. That's it. You gotta buy a whole new piece.
Yep.
That is crazy, man. And this piece can't be no less than like, it gotta be at least $300 or $400, man. At least. Easy. That's a big ass carbon. And it's straight carbon, man, solid. That's crazy, man. Alright, man. I'm waiting for my wife to get here and then we out, man. Look at this crap, man. Jesus Christ. Look at my car. Oh my God, man. I got so wet running to the freaking car. My wife right there, by the way. Say hi. She don't like to be on camera. Anyway, man. I'm super wet, man. Look at me. I don't know if you guys could tell, man. I am super wet. It's crazy, man. But anyway. That's gonna be it for me. I'm done. I'm about to go home, take a shower, and call it a freaking night, man. I'm done. I'm telling you, man, this Florida weather sucks. It gets you every single time, man. It's gonna rain every day. And it rains like a monsoon storm every single day, man. It's crazy. Anyway, man, that's it for me. Head to the crib now. My wife came to pick me up after she got out of work. Now we gotta go home and cook and everything else, take care of the kids and all that good stuff. So anyway, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. You guys know what it is. Got a lot of stuff coming up, man. I gotta pick up Christine here, I think tomorrow. So the next video will probably be of me picking her up. I gotta pick up Christine and show you guys what that is, man. And like I said, it doesn't stop. Saturday, obviously this weekend, we got a bunch of stuff coming up, man. Gotta go down to some meets and everything else. So it's gonna be pretty dope, man. I'm gonna head down to Miami. So it should be pretty dope. Obviously Concrete 392 is gonna be rolling with me, man. So we're gonna get some rolling shots with him and everything else. All that good stuff, man. You guys know what I do. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, man. Greatly appreciate it. If you don't hit, you need to hit a like button for this video for sure, man. Look at me. Look at I'm all wet and everything, man. I could have went home when it wasn't raining, but I went to Unique Rides for you guys to get you guys some footage, show you guys updates and everything else. So if you don't do nothing else, man, and if you ain't like any other video, man, make sure you hit that like button just on this video for what I had to go through for you guys. Anyway, man, appreciate you guys, man. You guys know my boy Fatkat. We'll see you guys on the next one, man.
Why don't you go? Like, come on. Like, why are you standing there? Go. I can't see the other foot.
My wife got PTSD. She got road rage too, man.